Right, today we're going to bring 100 feet of 28 gauge metal, and this is perfect if you're going to tie down pipes or work on the outside, or maybe just some trimmings. But look at this, it actually has built-in holes already. I had to put zip ties, my recommendation, because out of the box it's going to be in a package, and when you unzip it, it's going to start unwinding. So make sure you set up something ready to capture the actual wind, and this is what I did right now. So I'm going to show you how to use some of it as a demo so you can take a look at it. All right, for demo purposes, I'm going to show you some of the actual how to use the actual pipe itself, how to use the actual metal. Now it's easy to come off, all right, and you can bend it as you want, as you please. So if you don't want your pipes to be moving around, and this is very simple, something like this, for example, you want to make sure you tighten it down with some screws. That's one. Your pipe, it's not going to go anywhere. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.